Okay, guys, this is my electronics lot for sale on eBay. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff here, and I'm going to go over everything we have here. I'm going to start with these chips right here. These are RAM chips. They're PC3200U, two PC3200U, 256 megabyte. And there's a 128 megabyte, and I believe that is a 512. Here's a bunch of laptop RAM chips. I got these out of PowerBook G3 Pismos and Wall Streets. They are 64 and 128. I believe there's two 128s, the rest are 64, and there may even be a few 32s in there. Here's a 400 megahertz PowerBook G3 Pismo processor. There's a CD-ROM module for a PowerBook G3. It's missing the front. Here's a DVD drive for a PowerBook G3. It doesn't play the DVDs, but it does play CDs. Here's two broken screens for PowerBook G3 Pismo. Here I have a bunch of bays. I have a weight saving device for the PowerBook G3 Pismo. I have a floppy drive, a VST drive, another weight saving device. This is a battery for a PowerBook G3 Wall Street. This is a Ethernet card. These are DC ports for the PowerBook G3. I have a keyboard for two keyboards for PowerBook G3 Pismos, and this is a PowerBook G4 500 megahertz titanium keyboard. These are iPods that are in pieces, as you can see. I'm not sure if they work. This is a motherboard for a PowerBook G4 500 megahertz. The video out does not work on that. It's for parts and repair. This is a 500 gigabyte Seagate hard drive. It spins, but it doesn't read. This 160 gigabyte Samsung reads, but it has bad sectors. This 80 gigabyte hard drive Western Digital reads as IDE. This is IDE and this is ATA. This IDE hard drive reads, but it has bad sectors. It's a caddy for a PowerBook G3. These are two hard drives, a 2 gigabyte and a 10 gigabyte. Both of these work. They're for Apple. I got these out of Apple laptops. I got this one out of PowerBook G3 and this other one out of Wall Street. This was out of the PowerBook G4 500. It's a slot loading DVD drive. I believe that works. This is a MacBook battery. It lights up to 2 lights. If you get it fully charged, it'll light up to 4. It holds a charge for about 15 minutes, 10 minutes. This is a PlayStation 2 motherboard. It doesn't work. These are a bunch of parts for the PowerBook G3. There's heat sinks and hard drive ribbon connector cables and little plastic pieces for that. Over here is a PowerBook G3 motherboard with the processor, the 400 megahertz processor. I believe this works. Here's the top case for that. Here's a case for a PowerBook G4 titanium 500 megahertz processor. The case looks good. Here's another PowerBook G3 case. That one I believe works, and there's a top case for that. Here's a laptop cooling pad, and there's two cell